House in Ruins by Messina Rivas in ITUPEVA, Brazil. The ruined house is located on the outskirts of the city of ITUPEVA, 80 kilometers from São Paulo, on a 19th-century farm. We were asked to renovate a colonial stone ruin and transform it into 2 residences for local residents. Previously, we would have said that it is an abandoned construction, but from the moment we consider that it is taken over by other habitabilities, such as plants, we asked ourselves if we could not build starting from them, that is, with a project action that makes an architecture resurface with the ruin. The presence of a false century-old rubber tree with its aerial roots located just in front of the construction guided the construction of a central void, which functions as a courtyard between 2 autonomous houses. The divisions between the exterior and interior are clearly marked by the strong stone presence of the existing ruin walls. To make the ruin a shelter, the action was to create the necessary conditions for a roof, taking advantage of the existing structure. Thus, we defined a stone wall level that marked horizontality and, from it, we built a tie beam. In this way, we consolidated the walls by making them a large foundation on which to rest a wooden roof, with eucalyptus taken from the surrounding trees. This duality between the weight of the stone and the lightness of the wood is also reinforced by the contrast between the opaque walls that divide and the roofs with openings that bring them closer. In other words, like a cloud over a mountain.